Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says three boys and two girls stand in a queue. So, we have three boys and we have two girls, and we have to arrange them on a queue on a straight line. Okay. The probability that the number of boys ahead, okay, suppose that you are arranging boys in row wise, so ahead, so in this direction number of boys should be one more than the number of girls, means number of boy should be bigger than number of girls. Okay, now look at this. So on the back side we will arrange girls. So girl, girl, boy, boy, boy. So ahead of this girl there exist three boys, one girl. So the number of boys is at least one greater than the number of girls. So that is okay. Now if you will consider this girl, so the number of boys ahead her is what? 3, and the number of girls ahead of her is what? 0. So that is allowed. Now G, B, G, B, B. So if you'll consider this girl, the ahead of this girl, how many boys are there? We have 3 boys, and the number of girls is 1. So it is okay. Now ahead of this girl, if you'll observe, the number of boys is 2 and the number of girls is 0. So that is okay. Okay. Now look at this. Now so let's switch on the position again. So we have girl, boy, girl, sorry, it will become same case, boy, girl, boy. So if you'll observe this girl, so the number of boys ahead her is what? 3, and the number of girls ahead her is what? 1. If you'll observe this girl, the number of boys ahead her is what? 1, and the number of girls ahead her is what? 0. Okay, so this is done. Now look at this. Suppose that we have, now you cannot send this girl in front, okay, because the number of boys will become 0, number of girl will become 0, so that will become equal. Now we have to change position of this first girl. Okay, so it's B, G, B, G, B. So ahead of this girl is one girl, two boys, so that is okay. Ahead of this girl, one boy, zero girl, so it is okay. Then we have to again switch on the position. So B, B, G, G, B. Okay, so you cannot do this because ahead of this girl is one girl, one boy, so this case is invalid. So what I will do, I will put girl behind, boy front. Okay, so ahead of this girl how many boys? 3 boys. Ahead of this girls is 1. So now if we will consider this, ahead of this girl how many boys? 2 boys, and girls is 0. So this is the total number of cases we can go with. Okay, so the required probability is, look at this, required probability. First we can arrange these 5 person in 5 factorial ways, correct? So this is the case. Now if you will observe, like suppose this case, I will arrange this case and then I'll manipulate. So the girl position is fixed, okay, and two girls are different, no, their faces is different. So for them 2 factorial between their position, internal arrangement. For boys 3 factorial. Okay, now what I will do, you have 1 case, 2 case, 3 case, 4 case, 5 case. So all of them arrangement are same, so multiplied by 5. Okay, so this is the required probability. You have to simplify this to find out the required result. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.